Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1637. Widest vertical area between 2 points containing no points. So we're going to first look into the problem statement, then we'll follow it up with the approach which we're going to use, and at the end we'll have the code. And the code will at most be of 4 to 5 lines of code. So let's go through the problem statement first. So they have said that given an n points on a 2D planes where point of I have x coordinate and y coordinate, return the widest vertical area between 2 points such that no points are inside the area. Okay. A vertical area is an area of fixed width extending. So they have basically explained what a vertical area is and what is the widest vertical area. So, as the name suggests, vertical area is the area on xy plane. For example, in this image, this is the vertical area. Okay, this blue and red colored area is a vertical area, and we have to find out the widest vertical area for the given points. Okay. Note that on the edges of a vertical area are not considered included in the area. Okay. So now what we can do is we can simply follow or simply use the sorting method to solve this problem. For example, let's say this this is an example, right, in which we had these coordinates 319010145388. Okay, these were the coordinates we had. Now I have plotted the plotted kind of a graph for these coordinates as well. Okay, and as you can see, we don't have to do anything on with the y-axis values, right? We don't have to do anything with these values, so we need not to care about these. But the points on the x-axis is our main where the main logic lies. So what if I sort this given array on x-axis, that is the first value of each sub array, okay, and try to find the largest gap between two consecutive x values. For example, over here what I have done, I have sorted these values on x-axis, basically zeroth index element. Okay, so now we get this 101431538890. Okay, now what if I just find out the difference between this value and this value? Okay, now next one will be uh, 3 and 1. After that 5 and 3. Okay, now 8 and 5, and so on and so forth. So by doing that we'll get our value, and what we can do is we can keep a variable to store the value. So for example, we can initialize it with 0, and as soon as we check anything, for example, we checked 1 1, right? So now max will be equals to max of current value and x-axis at index I minus x-axis x index I minus 1. Okay, this is what we can do, right? So coming to the code, as you can see, what we are doing over here is, like, we have sorted the points, like the value, the array which we have received on zeroth index elements, that is the x-axis element basically, okay, or x coordinates we can say. And I have initialized my variable in which I'll be keeping the maximum width with 0, right? Next, what we are doing, we are just simply iterating all the indexes in points. So just for simplicity, just to not handle the edge case of having zeroth element, I have started the iteration with index 1 till the last element. And what we are doing in this for loop is we are just keep on updating the max width with like whatever the maximum of current max width value and the points we discussed, that is uh, x coordinate of current point minus x coordinate of the previous point. Okay, so this is what we are doing, and at the end we just simply return the max width. Let's check out the test cases. And as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation again. And as you can see, the solution got accepted and we have outperformed 100% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, this was it, guys. This was the complete solution. I hope you like the video. Thanks a ton for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.